Hey, it's Brenda Muller. You ever wonder how to add emojis to your LinkedIn profile and messages? I'm going to show you how to do so today. This came up in a conversation with a client this week, and I promised this person I would show my technique on screen so they can see the magic that's happening behind the scenes. You may notice if you visit my LinkedIn profile, I do use the pie emoji. I use it in my name field. I also have it in my headline as well. And let me show you how to access the emoji keyboard from your desktop. What you're going to do is I'm going to click on the gray pencil icon to get into my top header card here. And then I'm just going to delete out the little pie symbol at the end. So what I like to think about is when we use emojis, it adds a little pop of color. So whether it's putting it in your headline, maybe using emojis for your bulleted list in your about statement or other places, I like it because it takes what's black and white on LinkedIn and it adds a little bit of dimension to it, a little pop of color, a little bit of personality. So here's what you do. This is super, super easy. Once you see how to do this, you're never going to be able to unsee it. If you're on a desktop or a PC, rather, what you're going to do is click on your Windows key and your period, and that will pop up this emoji keyboard pop up, and then you'll get this little search bar, and then just type in the word or symbol or color or something that deals with that particular type of emoji. And then once I click in pi in here, then I can just hover over the pi symbol, click to select it, and then you're going to notice in my headline that the pie emoji has been added in. So that is it. Exactly just those keystroke combinations. You click on the Windows key and the period, and that will pop up that emoji keyboard. So that is from a desktop or a PC. If you're using a Mac computer, the process is just a little bit different. What you're going to be doing for a Mac is you're going to click on Command, Control, in space. So again, a PC, it's the Windows key plus the period. For a Mac, you're going to do Command, Control, and space. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you're watching this on video, I'd love it if you could drop a comment below with your favorite emoji and practice this technique right now. My name is Brenda Muller. I help solopreneurs, business professionals, and job seekers to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. I invite you to come on over to my LinkedIn profile to learn more. Take care and have a great day.